Welcome to Phoebe Science and Age. Today we're making lava lamps.
What ingredients do we need, Phoebe?
Red food colouring, green food colouring.
Mm-hmm.
Jug!
Yep.
Cold water.
Cold water, yes.
Salt.
Mm-hmm. Oops.
Olive oil. And vegetable oil.
That's right. And
teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
And salt. We filled the jug with
3/4 full.
with 3/4 of water.
Go on then, pour it in. That might not be enough.
Is that enough?
A little bit more. Bit more. That's about right. Yeah. Stop. Good girl.
Now all I need.
What are we doing?
Pour the oil in until it goes up to the blobs. Up to the blobs yet?
Keep going.
We'll see when it's yellow.
A little bit more. Okay.
Now we wait until it settles into 2 layers.
How's it looking? Think it's settled into 2 layers?
Yeah, it's about there now. It's there.
Yeah, that looks alright, doesn't it?
Mhm.
What are we doing now?
Food colouring in. We put the food colouring in and then the salt.
You got it?
Look at that. It's crap.
Okay. Oh dear, it's kind of not worked very well, has it? Alright.
We try it again with a bit more oil.
And it's worked a bit better, hasn't it? Right, do you want to put some salt on? Can you turn it?
This way.
Yeah. Or shall I do it? I'll do it, shall I? Bit struggle.
Sit down in sugar. That's a bit better. The salt's falling through.
The salt's falling through, isn't it? I have to say, it's still not brilliantly like a lava lamp, is it?
No. Let's do another experiment.